Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Back today with another video. I have a 12 by 24 inch canvas and I'm going to be doing a swipe. All my paints are mixed 1-to-1 floetrol, a little bit of water. I do have a video where I show you how I mix my paints for all my pours except for the pearl pour. I have another video on that showing how I do it, mixture for that. Obviously because those paints are way thinner. So I have some colors here. I'm going to go through them real quickly with you. All right. My base paint today is going to be this Prussian blue. Pretty, or is this, wait, I'm sorry, not Prussian blue. I am wrong. Hold on. It's Amsterdam. It is Prussian blue. Sorry. Amsterdam Prussian blue. Pretty color. And then in white. So I'm going to do probably like half and half. Some of the colors I'm going to use, I have this Modern Masters, and this is the green apple, really pretty. Then I have some, this is a mixture of Color Shift, and this is called, oh gosh, I can't read that. Dragon Flash. I put that in with some of the golden fluid turquoise to get this color. Then I have the golden fluid turquoise by itself. Then I have some, this is Payne's Gray by Golden Fluid. Then I have this is, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh God. This is the Amsterdam greenish blue. Okay. Then I have golden fluid, teal. Then I have some Modern Man, I'm sorry, no. Man, I'm just doing really great today. Color Shift. And this is the white flash. Okay, that's folk art. Ooh, I have to get it together. And then I have some Modern Masters rose, and that is right there. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to be swiping in a little black, and this is Amsterdam series black, and I did get a little bit of the Australian floetrol, so I'm going to do it with that today. All right, so let me get my, I also have a white for my base. So let me get my table set up and we will start.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. is not the end.